Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 2 of economics of class 9th. The title of the chapter is People as Resource. In the previous video, we have discussed the question answer from question number 1 to 7. In this video, we are going to discuss the rest question answer. Question number 8. Why are women employed in low paid work? The answer is education is one of the major determinants of the earning of an individual in the market. As a majority of the women in India have lesser education and lesser skill than men due to traditional regions, they are paid less than men or are employed in low paid work. Another reason is that jobs involving physical labor are entrusted to men only due to their physique. Here, women cannot do as much physical work as men. Women also generally have an additional responsibility of looking after their family and children, and so they cannot be as regular as men in their duties. So they are often given non-critical and low-paid work. Question number 9. How will you explain the term unemployment? The answer is unemployment is a situation where someone of working age is not able to get a job. In India, working age is considered between 15 years to 59 years. It means children and old are not considered as working people. It is expressed as a percentage of the total available workforce. The level of unemployment varies with economic conditions and other circumstances. Question number 10. What is the difference between disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment? As we have discussed unemployment, that a situation where someone is unable to get job on running wages or going wages. This situation is called unemployment, and we have to differentiate disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment. Disguised unemployment, it in case of disguised unemployment, people appear to be employed but are actually not employed. Sometimes in agriculture families, 8 people are working in a farm, whereas only 4 or 5 people are needed to do that work. Thus, 3 persons or 4 persons are surplus and they are not needed on the farm. They also do not help to increase the production of the farm. If these 3 or 4 extra persons are removed from the farm, the production from the farm will not affected or decrease. Therefore, these 3 or 4 persons appear to be employed but are actually disguisedly unemployed. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment happens where people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. People dependent upon agriculture usually face such problems. There are certain busy seasons when sowing, harvesting, weeding, and threshing are done. When the plants are growing, there is not much work. During this period, they remain unemployed and are said to be seasonally unemployed. Question number 11. Why is educated unemployed a peculiar problem of India? The answer is educated unemployment is a peculiar problem of India, especially urban India. This is the situation where a number of youth with degrees, higher degrees, it means matriculation, graduation, and post-graduation degrees, are not able to find suitable jobs. The education system is such that even after 18 years of education, a person is practically unskilled. Although a large number of educated people pass out every year from the educational institutions, but only a handful of them find suitable jobs. It means only few persons find suitable jobs. Thus, among the remaining educated people, some either get low wages work or remain jobless. So, educated unemployment occurs. So, educated unemployed is a peculiar problem of India. Question number 12. In which field do you think India can build the maximum employment opportunity? The answer is the field in which India can build the maximum employment in the service sector. Only the tertiary or service sector can generate the maximum employment opportunity, for which the unemployed will have to be trained. It means India can build the maximum employment opportunity in service sector. We will discuss the rest question answer in next video.